You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word correctly once and for all. This is the name of a stone. If you want to learn more gemstone names that are confusing in English, stay tuned. I've got them all at the end of the video. Opal, that's the British and American English pronunciations. Those two are very similar. Opal. So this is a schwa sound. It's a p sound, not a pa. So it's not opal. That would be more of a French pronunciation. Opal. Essentially, you could put an E there, just like the car brand Opal. Opal is how it's pronounced, with a stress on the first syllable. It's easy once you know Opal, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.